In this tutorial, I'll be going through with you SLP stock, and let's have a look. I'll just copy this and paste it in Google and type stock besides it, and you can see the name of the firm. You can see that I can buy it for 34.72 US dollars if I want to buy right now. This is per stock. You can see the market cap, it's in millions, so it's medium sized firm. The dividend yield is 0.69%, and it's even less than 1%. So even if it's less than 1%, it's a dividend yield. It's a positive thing because it means that the firm is financially strong. The reason why I'm saying that is because after paying their loans, their liabilities, their creditors, their costs, they still have extra money left. That extra money is paid to shareholders as dividends. So it means that the company is financially strong, that it has extra money left. And I can see it was founded in 1996. Go to Wikipedia and you can see the box here. It's written founded 1996. And I just want to copy this and I'll paste it here. I want to see the reviews of the employees in Indeed. And I can't, where can I find that? I will just go to, for example, Glassdoor first. Actually, is that the one? So I'll just go to Glassdoor first, I think, and I can just see one review, which is not much to judge. It's 5 star, but still one review is not enough. So I'll just see if it has any. I don't think it has any. Does it have any in Indeed? Company. I'll just click here. I'll just select this one and company reviews, and no, it doesn't have any. I can't find it. So it doesn't have any reviews from employees. So we can't find out how it's like working there. So let's go to Yahoo Finance and I want to see the executives. I'll just paste it here and I can see from here. Just go to profile and I'll go to technology information. 93 employees. I can see there are 5 executives. All their title and salaries have been shown, so which means it's transparent. It has a lot of information shown. The more information we have about the firm, the better. And so that's brilliant. Now I want to go to Justia Patents and I'll just paste it here and I can see that, one second, that's the name I want to search. So I'm just interested in, I'm not interested in inventor because these are people who invented it, but they don't have the rights. I'm interested in assignee or applicant that has full rights. Now I can't see the name of the stock here, so I am just guessing. Yes, it doesn't have any patents on this website, so I wouldn't say like it's a different firm. That's a different firm. So it doesn't have any patents because patents tell that the company is very strong because it has competitive edge. So this firm doesn't have any patents. Now let's have a look in macro trend and I want to see the ratios. Just go to price ratio and price book ratio and I'll just click here and I will just click this one and I'll explain briefly what price book ratio is. If it's less than 1, that means that the stock is very cheap, it's a discount, it's a bargain, it's ideal to buy. If it's 1, that means that the stock is a real worth, it's not expensive, it's a real worth. If it's more than 1, it's expensive. The higher the number goes, the more expensive it gets. Let's have a look. If you have any questions about it, if I'm going too fast, please let me know. And if you have any questions, please you can just go to my channel and go to discussion section and just type in any comment you want to type, or if you want me to make any video on any particular topic, or you're stuck somewhere, just start a discussion. I'll just reply here. And or if you want to ask particularly about my videos, any questions, just go to my videos and go to the comment section and I'll just reply to that. Okay, so price book ratio right now it's 16.47, which means the stock is 16 times more expensive right now. And The least expensive it was in 2011 August when it was 2.89 times more expensive. So somebody who bought that time, they paid $2.6 to buy something that was only $0.9 worth. You can just see vertically up. So it was $2.6 they paid to buy something that was $0.9. So it was nearly 3 times more expensive. But right now it's 16 times more expensive. So you need to be careful that is it worth buying an expensive stock? So you need to be decisive. Let's have a look at other ratios and have a look at current ratio. If the ratio is less than 1, that means the stock is risky. If the ratio is 1.5 or more than that, that means the stock is safe. It has a good margin of safety. So you need to be careful about that. Look for 1.5 or more than that for current ratio. It's just loading. You need to be patient with this website because like it has a lot of data, so it takes time to load, but it's brilliant because you don't have to calculate anything. It's already calculated for you. You don't need to be good at maths. Like I'm not good at maths, so you just need to be patient, I guess. Okay, so it is more than 1.5, so it means it's a safe stock. It's not risky. It's ideal time to buy. Let's look at the previous trends and let's see if it has ever been one below 1.5. I will just see. No, we have data since 2005 up till now. It's 14 years. Since 14 years, consistently, it has been a safe stock. So that's brilliant. Let's look at debt equity ratio. I'm looking for zero point 0.5 or less than that. Okay, so there's data, there's no data, like there's no, so they haven't taken any debt yet. So this place is for debt, this is for equity. So that's why there's no debt for this firm. So it's brilliant because it's a safe stock because it's not operating on debt at all. So this is fine. And let's look at return on equity. We are looking for 8% or more than that. and it's more than 8%. If I look consistently, it's more than 8%, consistently 8%. And since 2006 up till now, it's like 13 years, consistently it's more than 8%, which is brilliant.